She's sitting alone in her office. 6 years of dedication, late nights, endless effort. And today, one short email changes everything. The new system will handle your tasks faster. Thank you for your service. She freezes, not because she lost her job, but because she realized she did everything right and still lost a game she didn't even know had started again. So what do you do when hard work just isn't enough anymore? This isn't a story, it's a mirror. According to McKinsey's 2023 report, by 2030, more than 30% of jobs will fundamentally change due to AI and automation. PwC found that 57% of employees fear AI could impact their role within 5 years. And the World Economic Forum warns that 44% of today's job skills will lose relevance by 2027. This isn't the future, it's now. And it's not just about technology, it's about what kind of humans we choose to become. We were raised to believe if you work hard, stay loyal, and give your best, success will follow. But the world has changed. It no longer rewards effort, it rewards adaptability. The problem isn't our work ethic, it's that the treadmill of life keeps speeding up. We try to keep pace, to learn, to grow. But the faster we run, the faster the world moves. Psychologists call it adaptation overload, when the pace of change surpasses our capacity to learn. We crave certainty, but the new world rewards those who dare to walk straight into the fog.
We're just starting out, and your subscribe and like helps us grow and share more with you. Join us.
For years, we were taught how to work, but never how to think. We were told what to do, but not why we do it. Here's the truth. The world doesn't need more hands. It needs heart, imagination, and conscience. A machine can do your tasks, but it will never understand your purpose. So let's talk about the skills that AI will never replace, the ones that define what it truly means to be human. 1. Creativity and innovation. The power to see what no system can. When AI repeats patterns, humans break them. According to Harvard Business Review, organizations that nurture creativity grow 3 times faster over time. 2. Emotional intelligence. The ability to feel and truly understand others. A machine can measure a smile, but it will never know why it disappeared. 3. Critical thinking. AI can give answers, but only humans can ask the next question, the one that changes everything. 4. Communication and storytelling. In a world flooded with data, those who can tell a story don't just inform, they move people. 5. Adaptability. The courage to change shape without losing your identity. 6. Collaboration and human leadership. A real leader doesn't control, they connect. Where an algorithm measures efficiency, a human leader builds trust. 7. Moral judgment and ethics. Because no machine can ever answer the one question that truly matters: what's the right thing to do?
These aren't just professional skills, they're soul skills. Think about it. A parent listening to their child cry. A nurse placing a gentle hand on a patient's shoulder. A teacher igniting curiosity in a student's eyes. A designer finding inspiration in the quiet hours of the night, realizing they've touched something greater than themselves. Every time we act from our humanity, we remind the world why we exist. These human abilities, empathy, courage,
imagination aren't soft skills. They're the hardest ones to measure and the most powerful to master. Because in a world run by algorithms, being human has become the ultimate advantage. So maybe AI will replace tasks, but it will never replace meaning. Instead of fearing the machine, learn to work with it, learn from it, and protect what it can never feel. Emotion, inspiration, conscience. Artificial intelligence doesn't replace people. It simply rewards those who choose to stay deeply, unmistakably human. So what does this actually mean for you? It means training yourself in ways no machine ever could. Every single day, ask yourself, what did I truly feel today? What did I learn about myself or about someone else? And how did I create real value for another human being? Not for the system, not for the data, but for a person. Because the future doesn't belong to those who understand technology the most. It belongs to those who understand people. So don't try to become more like the machine. Start becoming more like yourself. If this video made you think, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the description for your free prompt library. And in the next video, we'll explore how to use AI to strengthen these human skills and build a future where technology serves your humanity, not replaces it. Because the journey is only just beginning.
Want more game-changing AI tools like this? Hit follow, tag a friend, and drop the word tools in the comments. I'll send you the full list straight to your DMs. Keep pressing pause to grow smarter. See you in the next one.